Hello, my name is Ellison, and today I'm going to teach you some music theory fundamentals. Just going to share my screen really fast. All right. So as music has developed over the centuries, geographically and culturally, it is different depending on that geographical or cultural origin. So today I'm going to talk about Western music fundamentals. All music, Western music, is created from 12 notes. And I know what you're thinking, how can that be? How can 12 notes make up all of Western music? It's statistically impossible. Well, that's because these 12 notes are repeated multiple times at different pitches within the space of sound that we can auditorily process. So these 12 notes include C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat, B, and then a repeat being C. I'm saying or instead of and in these at these notes because they are auditorily the same note, but have a different name depending on the context, which we'll get into at a later date. So each one of these notes is known as a semitone or a half step. I've included a visual aid below of a piano keyboard. On a piano keyboard, there are 88 keys in which these notes are repeated multiple times. So if you look at the visual aid, there's a set of 2 black keys, then a set of 3 black keys, and then another set of 2. This pattern is repeated throughout the keyboard. If you look at the spaces in between these patterns, where E and F and B and C reside, you'll notice there's not a black key. The reason for this is because the pitch space between E and F and B and C is too small for there to be another semitone existing, because auditorily it is the same distance as it would be between, say, C and C sharp. I want you to think about baking for just a moment. To bake, you not only need ingredients, but you also need the right equipment to bake. So if you think about these Western music fundamentals as the equipment, then you can think about the elements of music as the ingredients. There are 7 main ingredients that you can use to create infinite musical pastries. So the first one would be rhythm, which is a succession of durations. Melody, a succession of pitches, that is usually the main focus of a piece of music, as in its lyrical content. Then harmony, which is a complementary succession of pitches that supports the melody. Timbre, which is the color of the music, or as in what kind of music it is. Is it soft and sweet, or is it loud and growly? Next would be the dynamics, which controls and indicates volume changes, if there are any. Texture would be the interaction of sounds within the music. Is it one voice, 2 voices, multiple instruments? Are they playing all together or contrasting melodies, such as that? And then the last one would be the form, which is the format of the music. If it were a pop song, it would probably be something like verse, chorus, bridge, chorus, ending, just as an example. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this brief lecture on music theory, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye then.